The diagram shows a trapezium ABCD with vertices A 11, 4, B 7, 7, and C minus 3, 2, and D. The side AD is parallel to BC and the side CD is perpendicular to BC. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD. So to find the area, we need to find the point D. So we can work out the distances BC, AD, and CD. So to find the point D, we need to find the equation of the line. So the equation of the line BC, that's what we'll start with, and AD is parallel to BC, so we can find that equation. And also CD is perpendicular to BC, so we can find the equation of CD as well. So equation of the line BC would be y minus y1, so y minus 2 equals slope m times x plus 3. So that would be m equals 7 minus 2 divided by 7 plus 3, that is 5 out of 10, and that is half. So y minus 2 equals half times x plus 3, or we can say multiplying all by 2, we can say 2y minus 4 equals x plus 3, or 2y equals x plus 7. So we have this as the equation of the line BC. So 2y equals x plus 7. And then we go to find the equation of the line AD. Now we know the slope here is half. So y equals half x plus 7 out of 2. So the slope is half. So that will be the slope or the gradient of the line AD. So if I say gradient of line AD would also be half. So the equation of AD would equal y minus 4 equals half times x minus 11, or we can say 2y minus 8 equals x minus 11. 2y equals x minus 11 plus 8, so that equals x minus 3. So we get 2y equals x minus 3. So we have the equation of the lines BC and AD. Now we have to find the equation of CD. The CD is perpendicular to BC. Now we know the equation of BC is half. The slope of BC. So we say gradient or slope, whatever you want to write. Slope BC is half. So CD would be minus 2, because 2 times half equals minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1. So the equation of CD would be y minus y1 equals minus 2 times, I don't want to write y1, I just want to write the values. So y minus 2, it passes through 2, would be minus 2 times x minus plus 3. So we get y minus 2 equals minus 2x minus 6. Y plus 2x equals minus 4. So that is the equation of the line CD. So we can say here y plus 2x equals minus 4. So that's the equation of CD. Now once we know CD, so we have the equation of the lines. So we now have to find the point D. The point D can be found by the intersection of the lines CD and AD. So the point D, work it out to solve the equations. So we have to solve for x and y. Y plus 2x is minus 4, and we have 2y minus x equals minus 3. So we can multiply this with 2 and we will get, we'll write this again, y plus 2x equals minus 4 and 4y minus 2x equals minus 6. And if you add, not plus, if you just add them, the signs don't change, sorry about that. Then you would get 5y equals, well this would cancel out, minus 10, or y is minus 2. So the y coordinate is minus 2. The x coordinate we have to work out. The x coordinate would be minus 2 equals, what equals minus 2 plus 2x equals minus 4. 2x equals minus 4 plus 2 is 2, minus 2, x equals minus 1. So the coordinate of D we get is minus 1, minus 2. So once we have the coordinates all sorted, we have to work out the distances. Now the distances are going to be BC. So BC distance would be square root of, if I say 7 plus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square, that would give you 10 times 100 plus 25, that is square root of 125, that is square root of 25 times 5, and that is 5 root 5. So BC equals 5 root 5. Now we got to find CD. And what is CD? So CD would be, again, square root of, we got to do minus 3 minus 1 to minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square, and that gives you 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16. Here's 2 square, and that's 4 square 16, and that is root 20, and that is 4 times 5, or 2 root 5. So we get CD, I write CD equals 2 root 5. So that's CD. And then I got to find AD. So AD would be the distance, so equals 11 plus 1 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, that would give you 144 plus 6 square is 36, and that is 10, 0, 1, 180, and that is, you can write it as 9 times 20, or 9 times 4 times 5, and that would be, outside the square root would be 3 times 2, 6 root 5, and that is AD. So AD equals 6 root 5. So I think we have everything now to find the area. So area would equal half times sum of the parallel sides, which is 5 root 5 plus 6 root 5, and multiplied by distance between them, which is 2. If the 2 and 2 get cancelled, we are left with 11 root 5 multiplied by root 5. That is 11 times 5, and the answer is 55 units square. And that is the area of the trapezium